Good morning, guys. Welcome to another video on the channel. So today I am bringing you guys with me. We are doing a oil change here on my Jeep SRT. I do all my oil changes myself. I do all the maintenance myself that I could, and it's about that time today, so come with me. The first thing I'm going to do though is head to the gym, get a quick workout in, then go to AutoZone or Alrighties and get the things that we need to do this oil change. All right, let's get it. Okay, so I'm all done with that. Got done with the gym. Wasn't in there too long. Just a quick workout, quick sweat. Now it's time to go to AutoZone and get some oil and possibly an oil filter as well. Let's go. It's a nice day, so let's do this back. Oh yeah. Top back chilling right now. I want that all the way back. All right, let's get it. All right, just pull up. We're finally here. Let's see what the damage is. There we are. AutoZone. So let's see what they got for me. Let's take a guess. Let's take a little guess. I think it would be around $60 total for everything I need. $60, okay? Let's see if I'm right or my wrong. And that's talking oil and possibly oil filter. So let's see. Hey.
In Cherokee?
Yeah.
Alright. It shows a 040 synthetic.
Okay.
You have an oil that you like?
No.
Okay. You have a few oil that's going on?
Uh-huh.
Oh, my full synthetic. 5-quart jug for
Okay.
$29.99 with the filter. If you want to do the air filter or cabin air filter as well, change it to $39.99. And then I have Pennzoil, Castrol, Mobile One, and Valvoline.
Okay.
This all depends on what,
But the one that comes with the filter, it's cabin air filter.
yeah, so if you want to do it in Valvoline,
Yeah.
I have it for $48.99 cabin or air filter. If
Oh,
you
so
want to do
either
either.
one. Okay.
But I can still sell you the other one too, just in case you want to do all of it.
Okay.
And then $46.99, so $45.99. And then Castrol is $44.99.
Yeah.
Now that's if the cabin filter or the air filter is below a certain price. If it's The cabin or air filter is over $24.99. It might go up a little bit,
Yeah.
like a couple bucks if that. And then same with the Mobile One. Same with the STP.
Okay.
Between the difference on oil, there's not much difference as far as like quality wise.
Okay.
It's mainly name brand stuff.
Oh.
Some people like to do like the high end name brand like Mobile One or Castrol.
Yeah.
STP is just as good. We do have a new one that's Valvoline Restore and Protect. So it actually cleans your valves and your piston rings.
Oh.
So it's actually really new and good. It breaks down a lot of the carbon and stuff that builds up in the cars.
Ooh, how much is that one?
So that one there, $38.99.
Okay.
$48.99 if you want to do the cabin or the regular air.
I don't know if my cabin or air filter needs to be changed.
Do you remember about what time you changed it
I
last?
just got the car.
Okay,
like,
so
first week.
you can always get it. And
Yeah.
If you don't need it, you can always bring it back.
Yeah.
Recommend doing the cabin filter once, if not twice a year. The air filter, if you're not driving a whole bunch of dirty roads and stuff like that, like backcountry roads, gravel roads and stuff like that, you could probably go about a year before changing that.
Yeah.
But yeah, most of the time they recommend every other time you change your oil. So if the first time you change your oil,
Yeah.
you do everything. The second time you do your oil, you can just do oil.
Oil.
The third time you do it is repeat the step with the air filter and cabin filter. That's
Okay.
what most manufacturers recommend. But sometimes you can get away with doing a full year before you do the cabin or the regular air, depending on how much driving you do and where you're driving at.
Okay.
So.
Okay, let me go with the one like you said is that cleans and does the restore
and
stuff.
protect?
Yeah.
Okay.
And then the let's go cabin.
Cabin? Okay.
Alright, so that's what I decided to go with, guys.
You saw everything first. I was tired. The steel rockers, right what you rockers, and you can. So there's a whole bunch of. Throw everything on the floor. That one.
All right, guys. So I was kind of right. I said it would be around 60 and it was 63. But the reason why is because I got this. I got my car cleaned recently and this is what I've been missing. I feel like your car isn't fully cleaned unless you have the tire shined up. If you don't, it's just not complete. That's just how I feel. That's my personal opinion. So, I'm about to get right now. In the parking lot. That's how serious I take this right there. Right, you gotta make sure that joint shining. That's one. That's two. Look at the difference already. Let's go. Let's move on. That's three. That's four. Now, let's take a look at how she looks after having that tire shine on. Boom. Telling me that don't look clean? Let's go. And this is McGuire's tire shine right there. The good stuff. Hold on, where's my keys, man? Alright, so funny thing, I think I left my keys in the back of my Jeep. And the door's locked. Man, what? Yep, that's crazy. So look, my keys are literally inside the car. and it's on. You guys see that? You've got to be kidding me. But thankfully, I left my windows down. Y'all see how God works? Hold on. Y'all see how God working? So let me turn that on. Now I could open her up. Now I'm not stuck no more. You see how God be working, y'all? Thank you. All right, now let's go. This is Big Bertha. This is the big Hemi, so we'll be changing the oil in this right now. But I'm gonna get started. That's weird, that wasn't down all the way. I don't like that. But nonetheless, it's time to get started. So I'm gonna start by jacking the car up. We have a little bit of rain coming down, but honestly, I just got started, so I'm not stopping right now. Okay, so right now, I want to take this opportunity to thank Jeep or Dodge for putting this bolt right here. Dude, I can't tell you the amount of times where the bolt is somewhere back there or under a bolt of a bunch of panels where you have to take off. But this baby is like right here in this cutout, so it's gonna be way easier. Put that baby on there. All right, so that is now draining out in the bottom. Let me open this so that all of that oil can come out. Then, once the oil is out, we're gonna get that filter off. Once we get that filter off, I'm actually... Now look at that oil. I hope it's not blurry. Glad I don't see any silver markings or anything inside of it. It's clean. I mean, like, you know, clean of any chips or anything like that. It's dirty, but definitely don't see anything that I should be worried about, so that's a good sign. That's the oil filter right there that we need to get out. That was the drain plug. That is the oil filter, so let's get that out. Once we get that out, we're one step closer to being done. All right, guys, I thought I was recording that entire time. Apparently I wasn't, but the only thing that you guys missed was I poured 7 quarts of oil inside there using a funnel. I just got done with that, so now I'm gonna lower the motor and then get use this to see how much oil is in there, because it should be at the right amount. Then I will be pretty much ready to wrap it up. You guys can see how dirty my white hoodie is, but boom, pretty much done with oil change. Did it myself, refilled it myself. So now I'm just gonna remove the car from the jacks and the jack stand, start it up, take a measurement, and make sure everything went as good as I think it did. So let's go. Okay, so last but not least, you want to be able to reset the oil life. So to do that, okay, so my ignition is now in run. It's like the 3rd click right there. Hold okay. Now, yep, oil change required, I know. That's what I'm trying to do now. Tire pressure sensor, yeah, I know. One thing at a time. Okay, so you're in vehicle options. Vehicle info, go all the way across to there. Hold locator reset engine life, engine oil life. Boom, we are reset. So now I'm reset on my oil time. And that is a complete process from start to finish. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you for tuning in. Today was quite a long day, but I showed you guys how to change your oil inside a Jeep Cherokee SRT. I just changed my oil. I have a whole vlog about today. So I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Until next time, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. It helps the channel out. You guys can see I'm starting from scratch, but also it helps people find my content as well. Thank you guys. I truly appreciate it. Have a blessed day. Peace.